What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel here at Crypto Nation. Uh, here at Crypto Nation Reacts. Let's get it. The title is here is the Altcoin Daily, BlackRock, Bitcoin, and Ethereum ETF massive news. And then it says Polkadot crypto is dead. Okay, that's the title. So let's see what they're talking about here. Yeah, so we finally did it. Bitcoin hit over 40K. There must have been some big news that happened. Yeah, the future is looking bright for crypto. Anyways, let's get right into it.
In 6 years. Bitcoin's overall supply on exchanges is down to just 5.38%, the lowest it's been since December of 2017. Smash the like button, let's get this out there to as many people as possible. Bitcoin's price has risen above $38,000 as Bitcoin's supply on exchanges drops to 5.38%, the lowest it's been since December of 2017, amid declining trust in exchanges following the likes of events like FTX collapse, Binance legal troubles, this trend towards Bitcoin self-custody, because that's what they're doing. They're taking Bitcoin off of exchanges where they could sell and moving it into long-term self-custody wallets. This is seen as bullish and in fact has contributed to Bitcoin's significant rally of 130% since the year's start. Let's talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum, because I'm not sure if you're aware, I'm not sure if you've seen this, 7 spot Ethereum ETFs have been filed. There's about 12 plus Bitcoin spot ETFs, and now 7 plus spot Ethereum ETFs. BlackRock, Fidelity, VanEck, Grayscale, these institutions all want in, and check out this list, the most updated list of deadlines for the 7 spot Ethereum ETFs. Make sure you subscribe, we'll keep you updated on all of this, just like we're doing now. Spot ETFs, the impact of these on both Bitcoin and Ethereum is huge. Most people don't realize what I'm about to share with you guys. Send this video to a friend because this is exactly what spot Bitcoin ETFs and spot Ethereum ETFs are going to do to the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum. You need to understand this. Talk of ETF approval misses the forest for the trees. It's not just about immediate reactions or flows. It's about the recognition of Bitcoin and Ethereum as an institutional asset. Pensions, endowments, insurance investment portfolios, etc. will soon be entering the arena with passive buy-side flows for the long term. So understand the momentum. In December of 2020, MassMutual, an institution, invested $100 million into Bitcoin. We covered this. This was a big deal at the time. In fact, it was massive. Except not really. MassMutual manages $235 billion in assets. $100 million of Bitcoin it's about a 0.05% allocation. This is a big deal, but with these ETFs, we're about to see inflows of much, much more than this. And large institutional investors don't purchase something to flip in the next month. They're constructing portfolios for multiple decades. So a 0.05% allocation is literally just the start. There are many more MassMutuals out there, and all of these allocators are staring at their bond portfolio, which is down 50% from all-time highs, questioning previous assumptions that they held. And the endorsement of Bitcoin and now Ethereum from the likes of BlackRock and CEO Larry Fink isn't a sign that Larry and BlackRock is suddenly a Bitcoin bull. It's a sign that clients are knocking on BlackRock's door asking for a vehicle to gain exposure. And the narrative violations are strong in TradFi. Passive accumulation of Bitcoin, so cost averaging Bitcoin from Bitcoin's all-time high. If you started buying Bitcoin at Bitcoin's all-time high of $69,000, that would put you up 45% right now on your Bitcoin position if you were passively cost averaging. The same passive allocation into long bonds has you down 12%.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, and I am thrilled to be here with you all. Today marks a historic day for us at Ripple.
But the volatility! Guys, volatility is opportunity. Again, it's a misunderstanding of time horizon. A 1% allocation to an asset that they don't plan to liquidate for years or decades with an extremely strong Sharpe ratio is within their risk profile. If you want proof, just look at the rest of their portfolio. So no, Bitcoin is not going away. Ethereum is not going away. No, neither Bitcoin nor Ethereum died when FTX collapsed. Yes, supply is held more tight than ever before. Yes, perpetual credit expansion of the fiat monetary system is an ongoing reality. No, there is no sense of fiscal austerity present anywhere. Yes, this illiquidity means marginal flows into the market send the price higher, which is why all of these institutions will start with a tiny 0.05% stake while continuing to passively allocate steadily for the long term. Reinforcing all of this with Bitcoin is the shift in narrative and negative bias around energy usage and mining, evidenced by new academic papers on mining as a tool for balancing the grid and monetizing waste energy. You can read any of these, and of course, Ethereum doesn't suffer from this negative press. TLDR, the landscape and profile of the asset has shifted, of Bitcoin, of Ethereum, of crypto. It's not about the ETF, it's about the reason why the ETF is coming. Institutional exposure has been given a green light. It won't happen all at once, but understand the shift that is underway. Bitcoin and Ethereum has been passively accumulated by individuals and retail for some time now, while institutions mostly watched the madness from the sidelines. This is all changing. Guys, smash the like button, send this video to a friend. We need to get this information out there. People will thank you. And this is all a tale as old as time. Yeah, banks didn't like Bitcoin in the beginning. That's all changing. Just like taxis didn't like Uber, hotels didn't like Airbnb, stores didn't like Amazon, theaters didn't like Netflix, but the world is trending digital. This is all happening. There's no stopping it. We show you the revolution of cryptocurrency on a daily basis. You would have known months ago that cryptocurrency is going to come back if you would have subscribed to us. So guys, this bull market is just getting started. Make sure you subscribe to us. We update you on a daily basis. Real quick, Altcoin Daily once again has received a great honor. We're nominated for a Web3 Influencer Award. We've participated in this in past years and actually been winners in past years. This is such a big deal for us, but we need your help, my friends. Please, I'm going to leave a link below. Head on over and vote for your favorite influencers in general, but specifically Altcoin Daily for best current events coverage. We've been with you every step of the bear market. It literally takes 60 seconds to cast a vote for Altcoin Daily. I'll leave the link below. Please click through and vote for Altcoin Daily and vote for your favorite influencers, and let me know in the comments if you did. Appreciate you guys. Let's get to some altcoin news. Coinbase plans to integrate with Solana. Coinbase plans to add Solana rails. This is a big deal for Solana holders, and overall, this is towards Coinbase's goal. The company wants transactions on its platform under 1 cent and under 1 cent, under 1 second and under 1 cent. To do that, Coinbase will be integrating not only Solana, but Bitcoin Lightning Network and other layer 1s that are very fast like Solana, CEO Brian Armstrong told Decrypt. And this cycle, in my opinion, never been a better time to be bullish on altcoins because they have so much going for them versus any other cycle. So this is not even Avalanche's ecosystem. This is a vertical of an ecosystem. This is Avalanche's GameFi gaming ecosystem. Looks quite impressive. Polygon, though, dealt a major PR blow. A lot of people saying this is a major chink in Polygon's armor. The news is that Polygon gave DraftKings, you know DraftKings, it was a big deal when this partnership was announced. Using Polygon, running a Polygon validator. Apparently, Polygon gave DraftKings multi-million-dollar edge in special staking relationships. So they gave them an unfair edge, it sounds like. Blockchain data shows the crypto project quietly gave DraftKings preferential treatment while telling the public it was an equal member of the validator community. Sports betting company DraftKings publicly agreed in early 2022 to be a network validator that helped run the Polygon blockchain. Well, on-chain data shows that Polygon gave DraftKings millions of Matic tokens to help its validator turn a massive profit with little precedent. And then on top of that, even though it was being subsidized, DraftKings failed to maintain its validator's performance and was kicked off the network last month, just kind of showing that seems like they never really cared in the first place. Despite this, and this is not good, I still think Polygon is one of the better projects going into this next bull run, and taking a look at the price, seems like this was little effect on the market. Now, this is major news for IOTA, but IOTA, it's not even last cycle's altcoin. It's like 2-3 cycles ago altcoin, so I don't know. Is IOTA, Internet of Things, still in the conversation in a big way? Well, according to this news, I mean, this is good news. IOTA launches a $100 million Abu Dhabi Foundation for Middle East expansion. The IOTA Ecosystem DLT Foundation is the first, in fact, to receive approval from the regulators in Abu Dhabi after its financial authority passed a new related law earlier this month. So we're going to dive deeper into this. We'll give you an update in the coming days, coming weeks, but interesting because I really haven't heard a lot about IOTA in not even years, in cycles, it seems like. Polkadot. Many of you have been asking me for an update on popular L1 Polkadot. This is that update. And guys, if you want me to update our community on a certain altcoin project, let me know in the comments below. I'll be reading. But this is the update on Polkadot. Polkadot is dead. Polkadot is dead. Just has more than 5,000 monthly code commits and hundreds of active developers building on it daily. Polkadot is dead. Just was never mentioned by the SEC as a security because it's just software. Polkadot is dead. Just its superior SDK being constantly integrated by other major L1 blockchains. Polkadot is dead. Just has a treasury with around 44 million in DOT. That's 220 million to distribute for ecosystem growth. Polkadot is dead. Just over 3.5 billion staked DOT, securing the network. That's more than 52% of TCS. Polkadot is dead. Just offers the most sophisticated, fully decentralized open governance system in the entire industry. Polkadot is dead. Just has the man who built Ethereum, co-founder of Ethereum and founder of DOT, has him in some days as chief architect, pushing the code relentlessly, aka we're talking about Gavin Wood, of course. Polkadot is dead. Just provides the safest and most unbreachable infrastructure with shared security. Polkadot is dead. Just getting ready to witness the biggest transformation in Web3 history with Polkadot 2.0 by developing a more flexible and fundamentally better new model. So this is exciting. So is Polkadot dead? Obviously not. And there's your update, guys. It's still very much in the game. Smash the like button.
That's crazy. All that information that he talked about, but it's funny how the bigger YouTubers like this, content creators, they're not all the big ones are not mentioning no mention of ICP. Amazing. And I'm coming to find out ICP, as far as the Web3 space, is really number one. I'm finding out more information about ICP, and it seems like it's just amazing. But yeah, I'm gonna dive deeper into it as well. I'm finding out this new stuff on ICP of how it's really the number one Web3 project that's out there right now. But yeah, that's my take on there it is, the Altcoin Daily, Crypto Nation Reacts. I guess I'll say what you guys think about this one. He made no mention, like I said, he made no mention of ICP, Internet Computer. But yeah, like I said, it's going to come a time they're going to have to. They keep mentioning like Web3, but come on, ICP is like, it's the top right now. And they keep saying that it's gonna 1,000. I keep hearing that it's gonna 1,000x. So I'm definitely gonna have to start dollar cost averaging, slowly getting an ICP. You know, people talking about a 1,000x are talking about it's gonna be worth about $200 in a bull run, probably a little bit higher. But yeah, we'll see. But yeah, that's my take. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Crypto Nation Reacts. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.